Hi everybody, welcome to this class. This is the fourth video of this series in which we will discuss about some properties of the table. So first of all we will make a table of employee, and on different type of column we will discuss these different type of properties, what are the use of them. I am creating table employee with these column name. First is ID, employee ID, number, required. I am saying that this field is compulsory. So which field we want to make compulsory means you cannot left blank to that field. We can declare as required. Required yes means we have to enter value for this field is compulsory. Name or employee name, it is also required. Yes. Second is default. Default we will take for city. Suppose we are taking address. In case of address we will take city. So I am saying default. If somebody do not enter value for city, by default its value will be Dehradun. Mobile number, mobile number is always a unique value. So for mobile number we can take index. Yes, no duplicate. Yes, no duplicate means we have to enter value for mobile number, means entry for this field is compulsory and that must be unique value. We cannot enter duplicate mobile number. Next is caption, like DOB. DOB is date of birth. So for this we will take caption. First I will save this table, table employee, or employee table we can say employee table 4. This message saying that you didn't declare any one of the column as primary key, so we can make primary key to this column. Now save again, employee table 4, so date of birth is looking like this, DOB. Caption property will give it complete name. So caption is this, and here we will write date of birth. In that case it will look something like this as proper. We have to select DOB. Now date of birth. So caption property is used to define column heading. Next is field size. For gender text, suppose we want to enter single character, M for male or F for females. In that case we will take one character. Format. In case of salary we will take format. Currency, it is a case of gender. If entered A it is okay, but single character we cannot enter two character. Male it's okay, female it's okay. In case of salary, if I enter salary it is like this and showing dollar value. So we have to change its format from here. From currency we will say its format will be simple number, so currency symbol do not show. It is a use of format. Tax align. Text align will align text according to our choice. It is employee ID 101, which is must and compulsory. Employee name is Amir. We can look here. Default value is automatically filled. Dehradun. Mobile number 123. Date of birth. Date of birth should be in date and time. So we have to change it. Now date of birth is this. Gender is male. Salary is 45,000. So salary is without symbol and gender is single character. We cannot enter multiple character. If I try to insert or press any key from keyboard, it will not be accepted by this column. And in second field we will look 101. I am trying to enter again, so it will raise an error, and I am leaving employee name as blank because we set this value as, we can look here, employee field name. You must enter value to the table for, we have to enter a value for this column. Now we can change this value according to our choice. Mobile number cannot be duplicate. We can look here because it will generate an error in case of duplicacy. So we have to enter something changeable value. The changes requested to table were not successful. It is due to this problem. Now changes has been accepted because these are not required yes. There are other type of properties I applied, but required yes was no for these columns. So like this we can use these, all these properties. Employee ID 103, employee name I am leaving blank. We can change default value. Mobile number cannot be duplicate. Date of birth, you can take any value. Gender, salary, again same problem. We have to enter employee name. Again same problem. We have to enter email ID unique. And now our all problem has been resolved. The one thing is this we did, we have to change it 1 to 5 like this. So these are the use of some properties of table. Required make a column compulsory means we have to enter value for that column compulsory. Default, if we do not fill that column, automatically a value or default value will fill for that column. Index, make a column compulsory means we have to enter value for that column. Like this we can look here. We can left it blank, but we cannot enter duplicate value. If we will enter duplicate value, then it will raise an error. But we can left blank, it is possible. So index makes a column means we have to enter unique values. Caption, in case of caption we can define column heading. DOB is small, so we can we write full form of DOB over here, date of birth. And field size like this, gender. It set the total length of data that we can enter for that field. Like I set only one character length for gender field, so we cannot enter more than one character in this field. Format, change the format of numbers. In which format we want to show those numbers, we can select. but format is applicable only for numerical values. Text align we can do its left, like 101 102. If we want to make these data in center, for this we will open this table, select employee ID and text align center, so data will be center. For employee name, if we say distribute, we can look here, it is central aligned, it is distribute means it will be justified, the data will fill the entire column or entire text of the column. And left right we can align from there. So these are align properties: left, center, right, distribute. And general properties is automatically set. According to general properties, text is always left align and number is always right align. So these are the some basic properties that I explained in this video. If you have some problem or something is missing from here, you can ask me through comment. And if this video is helpful for you, you can share, you can like this video, share with your friends, and you can subscribe my channel for more videos of this series. Thanks for watching.